Okay, keeping that same concept of using SimLabs, I have designed one understanding the gravity. Okay, this particular thing you can just go and copy and tinker this. I'll just make it public so that it can be used by others also. Wait a minute, it is opening. Okay, if you look at this design, so the ball is going to roll and then it is going to go and sit in this particular donut shaped ring which is there. Okay. So if you are going to just make the different materials, this ball if you are going to keep it as concrete and other things as plastic, what it will do, even if it has got this wedge kind of shape, it is going to push this whole thing. Okay, we'll look at it in a simulation. So this ball I'm going to I've made it as metal, steel is there, no? Steel I have cut it as steel. So, and other things. This thing and other two things are there, right? Those shapes I've made it as concrete. So even if it is like if I have made this shape as plastic, I'll keep this shapes as plastic and I'll try to run the simulation. Sorry, 1 minute. What I have made in the design, I have made some changes. I have made it as a static. So if I have kept it as dynamic and do the simulation, see, it is going to push that. Okay. If I am going to keep the same as static, okay, I am going to keep this materials as static, it will be fixed in that place, but it is plastic. Okay, so it is going to go and sit in that location, exact location. So instead of that, we can make it as dynamic, make these two materials as dynamic and make it concrete. So if it is concrete, then it should not be moving. See? It is not going to move. But the thing is, since what I have done is I have kept this concrete over this, it is going to slide a little bit because of that weight, because of the gravity. It is going to slide and come front. Okay, little bit movement will be there. I hope you guys have observed it. We'll just go back and try to understand. It is like cricket match action replay will be there, right? Very similar to that. We can just go forward and try to analyze this situation, why it is not going and sitting inside that particular place. Okay. So what we can do to stop this one, we can have another block. Okay, I'll just take one block. I'll keep that solid block, stopping this donut design. 1 minute. So I'll keep it like this, so that because of this block which is there, it is going to stop this concrete block moving. We will just try to analyze that situation. We'll make this also as concrete so that rigid object is going to be there. Because it was kept in the end, that is why it fell down, because of no balance. What we'll do, we'll take the whole thing and then try to make a little bit and then go for the simulation. It is not going to do. what if we are going to move this one a little bit front? What will happen now? Or else we'll have to change the shape of it itself. I'll take another shape like this. Over it. Okay. So if the shape of the design is like this, then there are chances that we can have the wall go and sit in this image. Okay, we'll see whether it will work or not. I'm not sure. Okay, this is how using the Tinkercad we can try to understand, learn about the material properties. Okay, we have to create it, we have to join and make it as one single design. These three things are there, right? Now I hope it is going to work. So that is complete one single concrete object. Okay. Yes. And this particular block will be used for stopping. We'll just remove this and then try once again what will happen to this. Yeah, it is working. So this kind of analysis about the gravity, the teachers, if they are there, about laws of physics, simple laws of physics, all these things can be taught to the students. Okay, by making them understand using this kind of innovative tools. Thank you so much, guys. Please subscribe to the channel.